we do here is go back, 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 back.
Oh man, oh man, oh man. Early access. Early. Y'all see what I got in my hands. We're going to do an early review on the Air Jordan 1 Silver Toes right in front of your eyes. Let's get right into it. Y'all don't know, but you do know. Make sure, if you don't know, now you know. Make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. 1K subs. We're doing an absolutely free giveaway. It's your boy Lil Roy TV. So make sure you like the video. Make sure you comment. Let me know what you think. Follow me on Instagram. Link will be in the description. There's nothing else to say. Let's get right into it. So, y'all see that title? Y'all seen the intro. We back with another early reaction. I don't have the picture on me, but either way, y'all see it. It's right here. Air Jordan 1 Women's Silver Toes. Right here, you got the Nike silver tag. Wow. I have mixed reactions based off personal. Like, I don't know if I want to keep it. You got the silver laces right there. You got the... I can't lie, like, I like them, but then I don't. And I'm talking about, like, as a personal. Like, if I had 10 of these, I would have no problem selling them. But I did get my size. Obviously, if you're going to get an early access, if you may want to keep it, you might as well keep the sneaker. But, besides that, yeah. Besides that, this is a size 10 in men's, but women's is 11.5. Looks mad big, but ooh, I didn't know they come with that silky feel. Like, if you see that, it's like nice and silky, soft, even in the inside. Got that soft patch. It's not your typical Jordan 1. I guess this is the girls' version of the Shadows that's coming out later this year. But, man, I got the black metallic, and I like the metallic feel, but the silver, man, I don't know if I want to keep these, man. I really don't know. I really do not know if I want to keep these. But I'm not in the rush to sell it, obviously. I'm going to hold every pair, as much as pairs as I could get, and try to sell them and hold them. But that's the dog tag, like I said, right there. The Nike tag. These are definitely different, I would say the least. Size and a half up. But yeah, what do y'all think? It's perfect. I got the black hoodie on now, so the thumbnail can match. Let's get the thumbnail real quick. Boom. Right there, you got the back silver. I feel like these are way more louder than the black metallic, because the black metallic is obviously all black. But it has the skinny laces right here. You get what I'm saying? So it's a little different. And obviously it comes with silver laces. It's not your typical regular laces, the silver. You know, this is really definitely a girl's shoe per se, because, you know, guys could wear it. Obviously, I'm thinking about keeping it, but damn. This metallic silver. It definitely feels different compared to the black and gold for sure. Because at least it has the leather. So they didn't go cheap for the girls. You know, this is actually a great shoe. But, damn, it feels hard as shit. Yeah. I'm just telling you what I'm thinking, because I'm really admiring it. You know, I had this shoe for a couple of days now. And I'm just trying to really look at it and study it. But by now, if you haven't clicked the subscribe button, I don't know what you're doing. You slacking. Oh, even the Nike check feels a little smooth. This is definitely a girl shoe per se, because the glitter laces, you know, typically they're not gonna give this for guys, but girls been getting crazy sneakers. Like, it's not like the Lucky Green, they still had Jordan 1 laces, but silver glittery laces, these are low-key fire. Like, if I keep them, I would put the silver on. Because, you know, I like being different or loud or just whatever. But, yeah, these are definitely different in person, I would say. Like, you know, it doesn't look like your typical Jordan 1. Doesn't feel like a typical Jordan 1. You get what I'm saying? So, my bad, y'all. I'm barely talking this time because I'm just checking it out. Really. And just reviewing it. So, that's that. Y'all see the top. Y'all see the front. Typical Nike. Like I said about the material beforehand. Yeah. Sides. Just whatever you want to see is right here. The back. The logo again with the laces. These are definitely a different Jordan 1. Like, I don't know, man. I like it. It looked better to me in pictures, but having it, I don't really know. If I sell it, it's definitely going to be a price. For this size, I'm charging $350 off rip. $350. So that's $280 profit on this alone. Because I paid $170, yeah. $170, no tax. But yes. You got it, dude. Not really else more to say. But that's it. I do like them. I just don't know if I'm going to keep them. I do like the color silver. I have the black metallics, but I don't really know. Who knows? Anyways, that's the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know if you have early pairs. Do you like them? Is it a little different in person that you have them? So that's why you're just like me. You don't know if you want to keep them or not. Or they're not buyable, or you just don't want them. But, yeah, just let me know what you guys think. In the comments. I respond to all my comments, so let me know and I'll respond to all y'all. So that's it. I'm going to end the video with a B-roll like always. So we'll get into that. Make sure you guys subscribe. Like I say, subscribe. As soon as we hit 1K, we're doing an absolutely free giveaway. So subscribe to the channel. Join the squad. And follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description. So follow me over there. And stay tuned to the next video. I have another review on another pair of sneakers. It was supposed to come in today, but I'll either do it tomorrow or something. But stay tuned. See y'all on the flip side. Lil Roy TV. And I'm out of here.